This is the weather forecast video for Wednesday, May the 30th, 2012. Taking a look at the satellite image from last evening, you see a complex of thunderstorms over the southern plains, namely Oklahoma, where there was some severe weather there, and across New England down into the mid-Atlantic and southeast with some thunderstorms that occurred in that area as well. Watch warning map from midnight last night shows some severe thunderstorm watches and warnings over Oklahoma, some issues along the mid-Atlantic with Burl, and some frost advisories across the northern tier of the country. KPF chart precipitation over the next 5 days through Sunday evening at 7 o'clock shows some decent rain amounts around here, with the next storm system anywhere between about 1 and 2 inches of rain, which will be needed desperately in this area. So let's take a look at the 0Z GFS Model Run at 1 p.m. this afternoon. You can see pretty much a zonal flow across the country, a bit of a broad trough over our neck of the woods, some energy over the northern plains that'll be bringing some showers in that area and some thunderstorms, some of which could be severe down in the southern plains, namely Oklahoma again, where they could see some very severe weather down there. Thursday we'll have some rain moving in and temperatures will be downright cold. Highs barely making it to 60 degrees, stuck in the 50s, cold, rainy, cloudy, bleh. Friday it'll be a little bit better. The rain chances will be moving away early in the day. Temperatures may struggle to get to 60, maybe some low 60s under mostly cloudy skies, though clearing late. Saturday, though, the GFS continues to show a little bit of activity around here, so we may have to throw in a chance of a shower or two, with highs jumping to near 70. Sunday, it'll be jumping back into the mid to upper 70s, with partly to mostly sunny skies and rain chances off to our east and west. And heading into Monday, temperatures back into the 80s again, with another storm system on our heels, with some showers and thunderstorms possible with that coming up early the next week. Tuesday, we could see a shower or storm around, with the next storm system developing over the plain states. Readings back into the 70s and 80s once more, typical of early June. And a week from today, on June 6th, we have pretty much a ridge pumping up over the center part of the country, with a bit of a broad trough over the west and a deep trough over the east. And at the surface, we have a storm system still immediately to our west, which will bring some showers and storms to the plains, and around here will still remain mainly dry, with highs in the 80s. A couple days later, on June 10th, that ridge doesn't want to budge. In fact, a 588 circle over International Falls, so the heat's really going to pump itself up into Canada. And in between that, some showers and storms go across the east, showers and storms in the plains, and we're right in the donut hole of dryness and warm temperatures with highs in the 80s once more. And at the end of the forecast on June the 14th, we have a system off the west coast. We have an upper level system over the south, and a ridge over the west and over the far east. And at the surface, we have could be a tropical type system over Florida, and showers, storms scattered around. It's too early to determine mesoscale features this far out. Thank you for tuning in to the weather forecast video. We'll have another one on Thursday.